Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to section 4.2, discounted promissory notes. What discounted promissory notes are is, if it's a short-term loan, meaning like 6, 8, 12 months, something less than a year, the bank will take out the interest beforehand, and then they'll give you that money after that. Those are your proceeds, is the amount of money that they'll take out. So we'll get started here with an example. And so how we figure this out is very similar to what we did in 4.1 with I equals PRT. So in this case, our principal is $9,600. We're multiplying that by our percent interest, so 0.10, multiplied by our months, so 9 divided by 12. Okay, so 9 months over 12 months. And when we do that, we get an answer of $720. All right, so this is the amount of money that they're going to discount from your loan. So that means we're going to take $9,600 and subtract out 720, which means you'll only receive $8,800. All right, so that's all you receive for your loan is $8,800. So this is your proceeds. But when you pay this back, you will have to pay back the full $9,600. All right, so instead of like with a regular promissory note, you got your full money and then had to pay more back for your interest. This one they don't give you your full amount, but then you have to pay back the full amount. So you're still paying the interest, you just pay it in a different way. All right. So that's the first step. Now this next idea is a little bit more challenging. It's finding your true rate of interest. All right, so it says you signed a $25,000 non-interest bearing note on March 22nd. The discounted the note at 14% and paid that principal back 6 months later. All right, so when you got your amount, you paid $23,000, or you received $23,250 as proceeds. So they want to know what your true interest was on the note. All right, so that means you got $23,250 as your proceeds. You paid back $2,500 or $25,000 at 6 months. So this was your discounted rate. They want to know what your actual interest rate was. So to figure this out, we got to figure out what your proceeds or the amount of money that they discounted first. So that's going to be $25,000 minus your proceeds, so $23,250. When we do that, we get an answer of $1,750. So that was the original bank discount that they gave you. All right, so this was only for 6 months. Now when we find interest or true rates of interest, we got to find it for 12 months. So that means to get from 6 to 12, we're going to times that by 2, which means we times this by 2 as well, which gives us an answer of $3,500. All right, so this is the amount of true, they call it the true bank discount or true interest. So the amount of true interest. And then you divide that by the actual amount borrowed. So we're going to take $3,500 divided by our proceeds. In this case is $23,250. And when we do that, we get an answer of like 0.151, which is 15.1%. So our true rate of interest that we paid on this promissory note was 15.1%, which was greater than the amount that was discounted. Okay, so figuring out true rate of interest, find it for 12 months based off of taking your the amount that you signed for minus the proceeds. So this could be times a 2, times a 3, could be times a 4, depending on how many months you took it out for. Once you get that true interest, divide it by your proceeds, and you get your interest rate. All right. If you have any other questions, let me know, and good luck.